Hello guys, we're here in Singapore. We have around 10 hours of layover time. So we are here around 7:30 here in the morning. We have just eaten some breakfast here in the Japanese restaurant and then we're planning now for the Marina Bay Sands. Let's see what we can do in 10 hours time here in Singapore. Let's see. We're here waiting for the taxi, actually a ride share, like an Uber, we have a Grab here. So when you're traveling to Singapore, download the app Grab and then just wait for the taxi here on the basement level, normally in the basement, so it's easier for you guys. So when we were traveling to the Singapore, we were amazed by the plants and trees that were maintained in the middle of the city. So it was a great feeling to be like on the nature and also on the lots of buildings at the same time driving through the road, and you can see amazing iconic buildings again while you're driving. Hey, we're here in Merlion Park. I think this is one of the most iconic places here in Singapore. Vibes here is very good. We are here around 9 a.m. in the morning and yeah, the people already started coming here. The buildings here nearby and the next iconic building here in Singapore. We're having ice cream here, very hot day. It's gonna be a very hot day, so let's enjoy the ice cream. Cheers. We're gonna go in that cable car. You can see high above there. Very excited for the trip. We were very excited to be on the cable car and see Singapore from the top. And yeah, you could see like mostly all the cities, the waters, cruises, other cable cars, and airports, and pretty much everything when you were traveling to the Sentosa island. In the middle of the island, there was an amazing forest here where you could feel the freshness of the air, the cool breeze by the plants and the trees, how the forest was maintained naturally. So people come here for the break with all the urban side of the Singapore, with some relief not to be on the city and to be on the more natural side of the part of the city. Another amazing place everyone should visit when they go to the Singapore is Jebel. The complex filled up with lots and lots of plants, amazing, tasty, delicious foods, and most importantly, the fountain that falls up from the ceiling down to the ground, and it creates an amazing environment all over the building. Oh yes, there are also the activities that you can do on the table. So this is one of the activities we did there. It's called Mirror Maze. It's very fun how you can lose your way, because you get confused in the maze, and you'll have to figure it out with that swimming pool noodle, so that you can find out the correct way. Otherwise, it's mirror everywhere. So we were lost for a while, but we were okay. Oh yeah, I have to mention this as well. This felt like a fun when we were first climbing. It felt so easy. But after we started climbing more, then we found out that it was on the top of the building, very high, and then it kind of felt scary at the first. But with the time, we went okay, and then we started enjoying. But you can see how tall it is, and it's really scary when you are walking on real. Hi guys, I just wanted to share you my experience regarding here in Singapore. So I've been to the cable car Sentosa, and that was a wonderful trip. I have kept the video. I uploaded the video. You can see that. And also I'm right now here in the Jebel, the airport. It's wonderful, amazing. Like no matter how much you take the pictures, you still want to take more, and the video clips, you still want to take more. Because it's wonderfully made. In the airport, you have the greenery, trees, grasses, plants, everything, like the waterfall, fountains, and we're still walking, exploring the Jewel. We've been in the maze, and yeah, it was a wonderful trip. I think everybody should visit the Singapore, and it's very amazing that even in 10 hours we could explore so many things, and we're back already here in airport. So see you guys soon in the next video. Thank you.